Hi there. Hello. Are you joining my class today? Good. Make sure you have enough space in your room. Do you have enough space? Okay. Now we're going to check your microphone and your audio. If you can hear me, can you sit down? If you can hear me, can you stand up? Whoa! If you can hear me, can you spin around? Woo! If you can hear me, can you stretch up to the sky? And stretch down to the ground. Good. Now if you can hear me, can you flap your wings? Whoosh, 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 whoosh. Let's try and fly. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, it's kind of hard to fly, huh? Let's try again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, fly! Oh man, that's tiring. Oh, I don't think I can fly. Actually, maybe today we can learn about some different birds that can fly. Do you know a bird called the crow? Let's pretend to be crows, everybody. Your arms behind your back. Hop like a crow. Hop, hop, hop. Follow me. Hop, 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 hop. Can you hop sideways? Hop, 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 hop. Can you hop forwards? Hop. How about backwards? Hop. Great job. Can you hop really high? Whoa. Can you hop really low? Whoa. How about really high? Whoa. And really low. Whoa. Great job. What other kind of birds are there? Aha. Do you know a bird called the penguin? Let's pretend to be penguins, everyone. Your hands by your side. Open your feet. Waddle like a penguin. And you can go like this. Whack, 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 whack. Follow me. Whack, 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 whack. Can you go really fast? Whack, 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 whack. Go really slow. How about turn in a circle? How about the other way? Great job! You guys are doing great! What other kinds of birds do we know? Let me think. Aha! Do you know a bird called the eagle? Let's all be eagles, everybody. Open your wings really big. And we're going to soar through the sky. Ready? 1, 2, 3, let's soar! Soar around the room. Let's go faster. Whoa! Can you soar forwards and backwards? Can you soar forwards and backwards? Can you soar really high, really high, really high? Really low, really low. And really high, really high, really high. And really low. And stop. Great job, everyone. Wow, we learned about so many birds today. We're going to learn about more birds the next time. Thank you for being in my class, everybody. We'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.